Does your phone speaker sound low even when the volume is already at maximum? Before you download a random volume booster app, there are a few built-in settings and simple tricks that can make your phone's audio sounds louder and clearer. In this video, I am going to show you how to improve your speaker sound without installing any unnecessary app. So let's get started. First, open settings. Go to sound and vibration. Then look for sound quality. Then click equalizer. Here you will find sounds present depending on your phone. Try options such as pop, rock or dynamic and play the same song or video while switch between them. The goal is not simply to increase even frequency. A good present can make vocals clearer and give music more depth, which can make the speaker feel louder and more powerful. Test the presets with the type of content you normally listen to. Or music may not be the best one of watching videos. If your Android phone supports Dolby Atmos, this is another setting worth trying. Go to Setting and then click Sound and Vibration. Then click Sound Quality and Effects. And then turn on Dolby Atmos. On supported devices, Dolby Atmos can make compatible sound more spacious and immersive. Instead of simply pushing the volume higher, it changes how the sound is processed. If your speaker sounds flat or lack clarity, turn this on and compare the audio before and after. If your phone gives you different Dolby Atmos modes, test them with your usual video music. Keep the ones that sound best to you. Now let's check something that can quickly prevent your media volume from reaching its maximum. So open settings, then click sound and vibration. Then tap volume and look for media volume limit. If this feature is turned on your phone, may restrict how high the volume can go. If you don't need the limit, you can turn on and adjust the maximum level depending on your phone. After changing this setting, play same video again and compare the volume. Some Android phones may not have this option, so don't worry if you cannot find it. And finally, this is one does not require changing any settings at all. Pay attention to where your phone settings openings are located. When you are watching a video, avoid covering those opening with your hands. So don't place the speaker directly against the softer surface like a pillow or thick blanket. Instead, keep the speaker opening clear and place your phone on a hard, stable surface when appropriate. This does not actually increase the phone maximum volume, but it can prevent the sound from being blocked or muffled. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.